Welcome back down to the Dickinson Stadium. This is John from the Stadium YouTube channel, and this is our second hospitality video from the new home of Everton Football Club. We are at Village Street. Let's go and take a look around. Hello, as you can see, back down to the Dickinson Stadium. This time we are doing a different hospitality section within the new Everton home. We are going to Village Street, which is located on the west side of the ground closest to the Mersey. We're going to take a look around, see what's going on, and see what this particular package has to offer. Stick around, let's dive in. To walk down the north side of the stadium to get round to entrance 6. When we get in, this is for the Carabao Cup game versus Mansfield, and this is the bars and restaurants experiences. Scan in with your e-ticket, and there are 3 different floors on this particular one. So we are up escalator number 1, and this is a nice little view of the Mersey and across the Wirral from the actual ground. We are not done with these escalators, we are up to level 2. And then as you can get higher, it's just getting more and more magnificent, the views. And obviously you can see the fans starting to gather around outside. This is escalator number 3. Takes us in up to the Village Street and Domingo's restaurant entrances. We were on row 47. As you can see, the stairs still look like that dust is still there. I think it just needs to settle. Someone did say in the last video that they need sealing or something. I'm not sure about that. I'm no building expert, as you know if you watch this channel quite a lot. However, you know, we were on anyway. Entrance 302. We were seats in row 47. I think we were 41 and 42. I brought Mick along with me for this one, show him what it's all about. So we went straight to the bar with your food token that you do get. I got a nice burger, so did Mick, and a couple of bottles of Corona. It is a paid bar, so drinks are not complimentary like they were in the Trinity Place bar. And you do get an Everton legend who does a little bit of talking and photo opportunities and stuff like that. Today it was Mr. Alan Stubbs, obviously from Everton and Celtic defender. So you can see what they're chatting about. He talk about today's game, and he does come back after the final whistle as well. There he is in all his glory. There were a few audio problems with this, but not with me, with the actual wireless mics he has. But you know, these teething problems do happen. It is all still brand new to everyone, really, isn't it? So lots of different places to enjoy food, to enjoy drinks. It's a massive space. You can probably fit a good few thousand people in here for this hospitality. I think on normal days it starts around £125, I believe. Do not quote me on that. I will link the hospitality website into the description of this video. And that is the Queen's Head, so that's a pub inside the actual hospitality. There's a restaurant as well called Domingo's, which serves different types of food. We just went for the quick and easy burger bar at the top, and there's lots of seating for people to just chill out before the game started. As I say there, keeping with some Everton traditions, obviously St Domingo's, that's what Everton started as, all the way back in the 1800s. And the club have brought some of that history along into this hospitality by obviously naming this the Domingo's Bar and Restaurant, or it might be called Bar and Grill. So there it is, yeah, it's Bar and Grill. Looks nice. This game, it was It was billed as being sold out, but there
there was 48,000 and something in attendance for a round 2 Carabao Cup game. Is unheard of these days, you know, for Everton at least.
This is a massive space, isn't it?
We're just showing you around the actual whole space. And the staff here are, and I'm not just saying this because whatever, you know, he mixing it without any prompt. The staff are like really, really friendly, really good. Not friendly, they are. Whether that'll last any time will tell. There are pizzas available and other things you can get with your food token. But obviously we decided to go for the burger. So this is basically it. We've just walked the length of it, more or less. There are more food outlets just here, food and drink, and there are some nice big tables just down the middle where you can just relax, place your bevies and food, and enjoy the atmosphere. Up into the stand. Just starting to fill up a touch now, and as I say, we're in entrance 302 and row 47, seat 41 and 42. Never get tired of coming out and just looking at this view. Big hello and shout out to the Mansfield fans. There were 6,100 they brought with them, and they were loud. They done their club really, really proud. I believe there was very, very minimal issues with them. You know, they were all in good spirits. Anyway, back to the stadium sounds and Z cars. Here we go. Half time, 0-0. It's been a poor first half of football. Let's hope it picks up in the second half. We'll be back. Worst thing about this hospitality experience so far, these painted glasses in front, so annoying that you can't actually see properly. You've got to like edge your neck out just to get a good view. One 0 Everton. Fine finish from the edge of the box, so Charlie Alcaraz gives Everton the edge over the Football League opponent Mansfield. Hopefully Everton can go on and get a couple more and make this a comfortable victory. It's 1-0 Everton. Neto makes it 2. Everton 2, Mansfield 0. Looks like we are heading through to the third round of the Carabao Cup. Full time at Dickinson Stadium. Everton 2, Mansfield 0. Goals from Charlie Alcaraz and Beto seal the victory for Everton into the third round of the Carabao Cup. This has been the Hill Dickinson hospitality on Village Street, and we're going to leave you with some outside scenes from the ground and what it actually looks like overnight. This has been Hill Dickinson Stadium under the lights. Just like to mention a nice little touch there, some Everton legends on the wall. Hopefully there is more of that to come. And you will see, we will walk along Everton Way in just a moment. See if you can spot your name. Take care, and we'll see you soon.